Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to duplicate section in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in page. Now you see different section. So this is our container box. Now right click on it and then you see duplicate, Control plus D. Now click on it. Now you see section is duplicated. Now scroll down. We have no space. Now drag and drop below. Now edit more space. So this is a container box. Now select. Now move position. So you can duplicate any section in Wix website. Now you see text. Right click on it. And then you see duplicate. Now you see. So this is another text. Right click on it. And then you see duplicate. Also if you want, you can duplicate whole section. Now right click. And then duplicate. Now you see section duplicated. So in this way you can duplicate section elements in Wix website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.